Hi, welcome to the Dynamic Attribute Provider plugin series. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to make a policy for account managers to access their client insurance policy details. The DAP plugin can pull attributes from different data sources without enrolling them on CloudAz, and use attributes from different sources in one policy. If you're unfamiliar with what DAP plugin does, we will attach a link to our previous videos in our description. For this demo, there is an additional column called Account Manager on the insurance policy details. This column contains the employee ID of their account manager. In this use case, the account manager has access to their client's insurance policy details. One account manager can have access to multiple clients that are assigned to him. In this use case, the user attributes are retrieved from the database and the resource attributes are retrieved from the CSV file. On my CloudAz, I have created a policy called Allow Account Manager 1 to view their client insurance policy details. Similar to our previous policies, this policy is also a sub-policy under Deny User to view insurance policy details. When the policy controller receives a request, it will evaluate all the policies under the parent policy and determine if there's a matching policy for exceptions. This is an allow policy with the subject component called Account Manager 1. With role equal to Account Manager 1. This attribute means the policy will apply to the individuals with roles called Account Manager 1. Our resource component called Insurance Policy Details for Account Manager 1 with an attribute Account Manager equal to user's employee ID. This attribute will take the account manager's value from our CSV file and compare it to the employee ID from the user that is trying to access this account. And finally, our action component view. This component dictates the action the subject is allowed to perform. In my policy validator, I have created a test case for our policy. Here, we're simulating the effect of someone with the employee ID number 1 trying to view the insurance policy details of record POL001. For our policy controller to know which resource component we're trying to access, the resource type will need the short name of our resource component type. In this case, our employee ID number 1, John Doe, is an account manager, and POL001 is also managed by him. Therefore, we're giving the allow permission for him to access this record. Let's try another case with employee ID number 4. Since Emily William is not an account manager, she will not have access to this policy record. With this, we conclude our video on NextLabs Dynamic Attribute Provider plugin. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our NextLabs channel and stay tuned for more CloudAz videos.